Deenokidzz.
On Sunday, we say Bismillah, a new week, a fresh start for us all. With Allah's name, we begin the day, seeking His guidance as we pray. On Monday, we learn and read. From the Quran, we take our lead. With kindness, we help everyone, shining bright like the morning sun. On Tuesday, we give and share, showing love, always fair. We help others, big and small, in Allah's name we care for all. On Wednesday, we smile and play, thanking Allah in every way. We help our friends and share our toys, bringing happiness, bringing joys. On Thursday, we bow and pray, grateful hearts we praise today, asking Allah for strength and light, guiding us to what's right. On Friday, we gather in prayer, Jumu'ah, we thank Allah with care. A day of blessings, pure and true, in Allah's mercy we renew. On Saturday, we rest and think, reflecting on the week in sync. With peaceful hearts and minds so bright, we thank Allah for His light.
Like and subscribe.